we're doing slime in the pool, aka the deep end.
Yeah, we have to tread water the whole time while we make slime. So we have all of our ingredients right here.
And we can't make it on here, we have to make it in the pool.
So this is gonna be quick because we are struggling.
I'm already tired.
Are you started? Okay.
I know I'm ready.
Okay. Here's my bowl.
It floats.
My bowl floats.
I'm already tired.
Woo! Okay, now I'm gonna take my glue.
It's a good workout. If you're fat, do
I think
this.
I should lean back.
Yeah.
Try to come this way, Kayla.
I'm dead.
I'm drowning.
There's so much water in this.
Hold on, I need to relax.
I need to relax.
Okay, so
Difficult.
enough glue.
No.
This is such a
I
challenge.
gotta go fast.
Okay, next one. Okay, purple paint. This better be open. It's not. Ugh.
Green. For green slime. Oh my God.
You guys, this is so hard.
Never do this. This is the hardest
I'm
challenge
drowning.
I've ever had to do.
I could never be a lifeguard. Okay.
I got out of it. I farted. I can't hear what I'm saying.
This is so hard.
I just need some for a second.
I think we're supposed to have this. Okay, got it. Boom. Now I need glitter.
My spoon go through this one.
Got it. Ooh, I hope this glitter doesn't go in the pool.
How are we supposed to activate
Ooh,
this?
I got it. Glitter in. Ooh, ooh,
Oh my gosh.
ooh.
Go fast.
Okay, you got the tie for you. You know what's yours? Oh, I got some water in there. You gotta take it off, Matt. You got so much stuff
It has junk in it.
in there. Yeah. Oh, wait, we gotta put the lid back on. Okay, just a minute. Okay, lid.
I don't like this challenge.
Okay, I'm gonna start.
No, don't give me any more water than you.
I need to lay on my back.
Whew. Took all such a time.
Whoa!
What is this junk in my slime? Just float there. Float. Just float.
Your table's floating away.
Oh! Grab the table!
I need to relax.
Okay, relax. How's your slime come? Oh no, you're getting soap and water!
You're using the table.
I'm cheating!
Kayla the cheater. Okay. I'm gonna take it out. No, I'll
Royce,
do
come
it.
here.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I need more tide. Look at mine just spinning in circles. Uh-oh, there goes the tide. Whoa!
This is making a mess.
No!
Oh my gosh.
Oh no, the rain. The rain. Oh no!
I'm making slime at
Oh.
least.
We're cheating. You gotta get off this. Madison, put the
I
lid
think
back
I'm
on.
lying.
Put the lid back on the green.
That's not important right now. I still need glitter.
Okay, I'm good. Here we can take a
That's good
5
enough.
second. Here we can take a 5-second break.
Yeah.
Okay.
After I have my phone meets.
Okay. Please open.
Please open.
Royce,
This is
no!
not
No!
not a toy. I can't have my phone meets.
You might not get to use the phone piece. Okay, going back.
Where are some glitters I can use? Can't take a break.
Okay, I think my slime is not gonna work.
I'm not even this pretty awkward. Is my slime pretty awkward?
I put way too much water in it.
I know mine not has so much water at the beginning of the
Okay, I think this is a fail. I literally cannot. We got some more glue.
I can't let our slice with the UV.
Adding some
Pretty
more
at
glue.
least.
You guys, let us know if you tried this at home before. It's really hard.
And if you're still alive.
And let us know if you can tread water for longer than us. We're clearly not strong enough. Wait, where are your beads? You opened them. They're floating over there.
Oh my god.
I think my slime's ruined. I don't even have slime. Look. It's
Mine's slime.
Mine's just liquid.
Ah.
Oh, give me some of yours.
No.
I dropped. Look at. Mine's just liquid.
Oh my gosh, I'm more activated. Look how pretty it is.
It's just water.
It's a really ugly slime. Well, it's not ugly, it's just such a
Okay.
bad slime.
I think mine is a fail. There's no slime in here at all.
I
It
don't
is
like this
only
at all.
water.
It's
Wow.
kind of water.
How did you get yours to do that?
I had tons of slime.
I should have
Madison, show yours here.
tied
Throw
in
it.
mine.
Show it.
Throw it.
Show.
No!
Because I'm just throwing it.
I said show it.
Oh.
That's a big Got it. Now it's my slime.
Now I need more tide. Because now it's a liquid slime.
Okay.
We didn't need to show that part in the video in case Papa sees that.
Don't show Papa.
Probably should have shown the video at all. Okay.
We need more tide.
I think the slime is
It's
okay.
water.
I think this is a complete fail. This is a harder challenge than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be easier.
I literally am not going to be able to sleep tonight because my back hurts so bad.
So this is what Madison got, and the purple water's mine. There's a leaf in here from the pool as well.
And it's been somewhere.
So finish this video off right.
In the
Go
middle
take some.
of the ocean.
Okay.
See you guys in the middle of the ocean.
Okay. Ready?
We're back in the middle of the ocean.
So, thanks for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let us
We
know
did
if you tried this challenge and
And
if you
if you're
could do
still
it.
alive,
Yeah. So, ready?
we hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share.
Next drill.
Figuring out how to get a new video out. Love you guys so much.